YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we got another quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. For today's video, we actually want to show you guys how to replace the main feed mast tube. So this main feed mast tube is a critical part to the cleaner, as this is where the actual pressure line, the pressure hose, will actually connect to the cleaner, and this helps supply all of the hoses to allow the cleaner to function. So if you guys want to get where we are currently right now on the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We've got a full playlist of tearing this apart from the outside in. In order to get access to this actual feed mast tube, you will need to remove the rear cover, which also has the float around it. So you will need to watch that playlist in order to make sure you guys can get down to this point to get access to the screws to get this part out. So if for some reason these tabs snap, or if maybe the hose isn't fitting up here, maybe something happened, the plastic's kind of warped or deteriorated at the top, you will need to replace this. Like I said, it's the driving force of the cleaner, so it is very crucial to the functionality. So all you'll need in terms of tools to do this is just a Phillips head screwdriver, very similar to all the other working parts on this cleaner. They did make it really easy to just keep you with one tool. So what you're actually looking for is located in the actual crevice here on the axle frame. Next to the feed mast tube here, there's a Phillips head screw here, and there's a Phillips head screw on the opposite side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and take this out and let you guys kind of see the parts that will come with this, so you guys know what to expect if you do need to make this replacement. So bear with me while I get this. These are kind of a longer screw. Depending on how long the cleaner's actually been excuse me, in your pool, because these are joined together with an O-ring and some lube, sometimes those things can kind of almost weld together with all the chemicals in the pool. So if you need to use a power tool to help you remove the screws, you can do that. But when it comes time for you guys to have to reinstall a new piece of equipment, make sure you guys only use hand tools. Don't want to have to break this chassis and end up replacing that. Can be a little bit of a pain in the butt, because as you guys can see, even stripped down as much as this cleaner is right now, there's still a lot of working parts. So you do have to remove absolutely everything if you break anything to do with this chassis. So once you go ahead, get it off, you're just gonna wiggle it back and forth and it's just gonna pop right off. Go ahead again, make sure you guys are away from the pool surface so you guys don't take the risk of dropping these screws in. So here you go. So here's your feed mast tube. It actually has an O-ring located right here at the top that actually just helps when the main hose goes over to make sure that none of the water bypasses or leaks out. And then it also has an O-ring right here on top of the water management kit that will create the seal between these two pieces, which also allows the pressure to continue to work throughout the entire cleaner. So again, it is really important that this part's in full working condition. So if you guys need to get this off to get everything back together, it's a really simple step. Just make sure you guys check out the link in the description there, so you guys can hit that playlist and find out how to strip this thing down to this point. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got a ton more videos coming your way. Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.